friends, today's topic is Chapter 7, The World of Living, Part 3. Learning objectives. In this module, we will be able to know about the classification of animals on the basis of backbone, classification of animals on the basis of food habits, classification of animals on the basis of reproduction, classification of animals on the basis of body covering, and the importance of animals to us. First, let us understand the classification of animals on the basis of backbone. Animals are divided into two categories on the basis of presence or absence of backbone in them. They are vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are those animals which have backbone and which is made up of several small ring-like bones called vertebrae. These animals are well developed and they have a bony skeleton. Examples: birds, mammals, fishes, amphibians, and reptiles. All these are vertebrates. Now, let us understand invertebrates. They do not have backbone. These animals have a soft body. Examples are starfish, snail, jellyfish, cockroach, etc. Now the next classification of animals on the basis of food habits. They are herbivores. Animals which eat only plants are called as herbivores. Example: cow, goat, deer, giraffe, zebra, elephant, etc. Carnivores are the animals which eat the flesh of other animals. Example: lion, tiger, leopard, etc. Omnivores are the animals which eat both plants and animal products like human beings, birds, rabbit, crow, dog, etc. Frugivores. Frugivores are the animals which eat fruits only. Example: parrot. Insectivores. Insectivores are animals which feed on insects. Example: lizard. Saprophytes. Saprophytes eat decaying matter of other plants or animals. Example: bacteria, fungi. Parasites. Parasites obtain food from other animals by living in or on their bodies. Example: leech, head loss, bedbug, etc. Now the next classification of animals on the basis of reproduction. They are animals which lay eggs, like fishes and birds. The next, some animals directly give birth to their young ones. Example: cow, rat, human beings. Some animals reproduce by dividing their bodies, like amoeba and hydra. Now here is the video how amoeba divides into two amoeba by their body. Now the next classification of animals on the basis of body covering. animals can be grouped on the basis of the covering of their body. Some animals, like fishes, have scales on their body. Frogs have a slimy skin. Birds have feathers on their body. The body of animals, like human beings, cow and horse, have hair on them. So, this is about the classification of animals. Now let us see how animals are useful to us. First point, animals like camel and horse are used for transportation of humans and the materials right from early times. Second, we get many different products like leather, wool and silk from animals. Third, even the animal excreta is used as manure for producing gobar gas. Fourth, many edible products like milk, honey, eggs and meat are obtained from animals. So this is about how animals are useful to us. Goodbye.